In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Chase Bank account online. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to the Chase website. Now choose the account type, so select the type of account that you want. Now start the application, so click on Open an Account. Now fill out the application form with personal details and verify your identity. Now choose any additional features that you want. Now read and accept the terms and conditions and review and submit your application. Now simply wait for Chase to review your application and approve your account. And once approved, you can now deposit funds into your new Chase account. You can now also set up online banking, receive your debit card, and download the Chase mobile app for easy account management. So following the steps will help you open a Chase bank account online. So if you need assistance, contact Chase customer support. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.